think, if you're an internal audit and you're wanting to move into more data type roles and things like that, you can take a lot of your skills that you've already got from being an auditor and look for different types of roles that maybe aren't fully fledged, and you will actually look for different types of risk and control roles that sit within those sort of IT departments, etc. And I think that's almost what I call the get your foot in the door, and let people meet you, experience what you can do, and then you can spend more time getting closer to other roles that maybe you don't have the technical skill set or the certifications, etc. But once you're there, you can start to build that up. And one of the things that I've found over the years as well, and I would always say from an audit perspective, it's not rocket science that what we do. An awful lot of it is what I call common sense approach of how you approach things. A lot of auditors don't need to have qualifications to come in. There are quite a number of internal audit qualifications sitting out there that people can do, but it's not a barrier to entry. And it's the same thing whenever it comes to data, I believe, but you just need to show the aptitude